Kung meron kang combination skin and kailangan mo ng skincare routine na mabibili lang sa Watsons, this is the video for you because gagawin natin yan for just a budget of 1,000 pesos. Let's go! So, andito tayo ngayon sa Watsons One Ayala and in fairness sa branch na to, medyo maganda yung size niya. Parang marami tayong pagpipilian ng mga skincare products dito. So, sakto because combination skin, I think, is one of the most confusing talaga na skin types na pagbilhan ng skincare. Kasi when you say combination skin, maraming iba't ibang types of combination skin. Merong combination oily, merong combination dry, tapos minsan sensitive pa yung combination skin. So, there's so much factors to consider. And actually, di ba sabi nga ng mga dermatologists na iba-iba talaga yung skin nating lahat. So, in this routine, we're going to try as much as possible na maging friendly sa iba't ibang mga concerns ng combination skin while at the same time recognizing na may pagka-dry and may pagka-oily din siya. So, that being said, start na tayo with our routine. Nandun ang skincare section. Let's go! Okay, so first na gagawin natin is maghahanap muna tayo ng cleanser. And alam ko, regardless of if medyo oily yung skin mo or medyo dry yung skin mo, a type of cleanser na gusto ng marami is yung foaming talaga. But it can't be too foaming na parang, yung ibang mga foaming cleansers kasi diba parang pag winash off mo siya, medyo banat na yung feeling sa face. So we're going to be looking for a cleanser na foaming while at the same time medyo gentle pa rin. So meron ako nakita ang iba't ibang mga cleansers dito. Etong si Senka, nako, alam na alam nyo to, hindi ko masyadong gusto si Senka because a lot of their cleansers are high pH. Kapag winash off mo talaga, parang medyo banat yung feeling sa skin. Pero itong nakita ko ngayon na bagong variant nila, it's the Omicron. Sorry, my intrusive thoughts. Charot. Pero ngayon, meron na silang low pH variant and I'm actually very impressed with this one. Bumili na ako nito previously and I've been testing it. I think mga magto 2 weeks na siya. And I've really been liking it. Siguro ang masasabi ko lang is medyo may fragrance siya. But for those na hindi naman sensitive sa fragrance, it's fine. This could be a good option. Pero ito kasi, I think, nasa 309 pesos siya. So, medyo mahal for a cleanser. Pero kung may budget ka, why not? This might be a good option for you. Okay, I think this one is going to be our best option. So, dito masyado na pag-uusapan sa community natin. It's the Dove Facial Cleansing Mousse. This is 115 pesos only. In fairness ha, kasi kapag ganitong mga pump type cleansers, usually medyo mas mataas yung price niya. But this is 100 plus lang for 160 ml. And gaya nga ng sinasabi ko lagi, di ba? Kapag pump cleansers talaga, mas matipid siya in a way because less prone to yung sobrang pag-dispense talaga ng product. So kapag pump cleansers, like isa, dalawang pumps lang, yun na. Never na siya susobra, never na siya kukulang kasi yun na, parang saktong isang press yun yung amount of product na lalabas. So I think okay to, kunin natin tong facial cleansing mousse dahil sulit na sulit talaga siya. In fairness kay Dove ha. Tsaka Dove, ano na, ilang beses ko na kayo minimension, di pa tayo nag-work together. But anyway, kuha lang tayo ng basket dito. Hala, nandito na naman si Adea. Adea, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Hindi ako yun.
Hindi pala si Adea yun, kamukha lang niya. Okay, anyway, kuha na tayo ng basket dito. Tapos, gamitin natin to para medyo madali naman ang ating buhay. Ay, parang hindi ata siya compatible. Saan? Ah, yung malaking basket. Galing talaga ni Adea. Pero hindi pala si Adea. Kamukha lang pala ni Adea. Ang galing talaga ng kamukha ni Adea. So, ilagay na natin si facial cleansing mousse and let's move on to our next step. Unahin muna natin yung mga essentials before the specifics. So, let's move on to our sunscreen. Okay, so naandito yung sunscreen na section nila. Naku, nadaanan ko na naman ang aking favorite. Huy, hindi! Why naman magiging ganon? But anyway, this is the Sunbrella Sunscreen by You. Itong meron silang ano dito, statue. Ano? Grotto. But anyway, ito yung favorite variant ko sa kanila. It's the Sunbrella Intensive Care Aqua Sunscreen. Pero As you guys know, this is $499. And actually, medyo mas pang oily skin to. Though it can work for those na may combination skin types. It is very lightweight, very comfortable on the skin. This is something that I can recommend for virtually all skin types. Pero yun nga, 499 pesos siya. So, nako, as always, madadaanan lang natin siya pero hindi natin siya mabibili. So, check tayo dito because there are more sunscreens. Nako, ito, isa pang okay na sunscreen. This one from the brand Celatec. Itong Soft Matte Moisturizer nila. This is the newest release na sunscreen ni Celatec and it's sweat resistant. This one is a cream type sunscreen na medyo mabilis siya talaga mag-blend compared to other cream type sunscreens. I think this could be a good 2-in-1 moisturizer and sunscreen for combination skin. Especially since, well, nakalagay na nga dito, diba? Moisturizer. Pero may malakas talaga siyang sun protection. This is SPF 57. O diba, sakto talaga, 57. Ano ba yung UVA protection niya? It doesn't say what specifically the UVA protection is, pero nakalagay naman UVA, UVB protection. So, mukhang broad spectrum naman siya. Kaso, this one is 430 pesos. Mukhang kalahati na ng budget natin yun. So, sorry Celatec, medyo hindi natin kakayanin ang presyo mo for this video. Oh, nandito yung ano. Okay, this one is one of my newer favorites. Etong kay Miss Megan. Miss Megan talaga. Siya talaga. Sino may alam ng open fact? Naku, baka ma-demonetize tayo. But anyway, the sunscreen I'm referring to is this one from the brand Megan Eco Beauty. I don't know kung yun yung pangalan niya na full, but Megan, and it's their High Defense Acne Clear Sunscreen. Now, I think parang relatively newer release lang to, pero in fairness ha, as in, tinest ko na siya. I think for the past few weeks already, I think mga magto 3 to 4 weeks na, ang ganda ng consistency, ang ganda ng pag-blend nito sa skin. Hindi siya yung parang puti na parang ma-hassle kang isa-spread. Again, it's a cream type sunscreen na mabilis mag-blend sa skin. And the best part is, ayan, nakasabi dito, 279 pesos siya for 30 ml. So, pwede na. And since pasok siya sa budget natin, i-add to cart na natin itong sunscreen na to. And meron na agad ako naiisip na moisturizer that is great for oily skin, for dry skin, for those na oily and dry at the same time. Malamang, combination skin nga yung target ng video natin, di ba? And it's this one from the very, very trusted and reliable brand dito sa Watsons, Lux Organics. And this is their Cica Rescue Gentle Brightening Derma Relief Moisturizer. So this is really one of the more reliable options here sa Watsons kung naghahanap ka ng moisturizer na merong ceramides. Ito kasi, this has the 5 ceramides na usually hinahanap natin in moisturizer. This also has niacinamide. So again, favorite na ingredient na maraming mga tao. And also consistency-wise, very flexible talaga siya because it's a gel cream consistency. So for those na medyo oily skin na kailangan talaga ng konting nourishment and medyo ino-offset yung pagka-irritating ng acne medications nila, this works. For those na medyo dry yung skin and kailangan ng more nourishment, the ceramides here will help with that. So, ang dami niya talagang uses and it's very flexible for a lot of different skin types and skin concerns. So, ako honestly, hindi na ako magdadalawang isip pa. Ito na yung pipiliin kong moisturizer, especially since 349 pesos lang siya. So, in fairness, parang 600, 700 pa lang yung nagagastos natin. So, this is already technically a complete routine or lahat ng mga essentials na kailangan mo nandito na. So morning, you can use itong dalawa, itong cleanser and this moisturizing sunscreen, and then sa gabi, itong cleanser and moisturizer. So kung meron ka ng sarili mong mga acne medications or other actives that you have in your routine, maybe like serums, toners, actually, pwede na to eh. So, very, very under 1,000 pesos talaga siya. Pero, dahil gusto pa natin i-challenge ang sarili natin even more, siguro maghanap din tayo ng mga potential actives that you might want to include in your routine. So, before, I used to always add retinol because yun yung gusto ng marami. But I think a lot of us are starting to realize na ang retinol is more to prevent the signs of aging. And hindi naman goal yun ng lahat. And actually, the more important step is to just be more consistent with your sunscreen. But when it comes to targeting different common skin concerns, I think mas nababagay yung exfoliant. Kasi exfoliants parang marami silang iba't ibang benefits in one product. So yun yung hanapin natin. Okay, so dito tayo. Of course, itong pimple eraser, meron na tayong alam na exfoliating product sa kanya. Itong pimple eraser na toner natin, which Recently, naglabas din sila ng bigger size. Ganito yung itsura niya. It's the same formulation. Meron din siyang 2% salicylic acid, 0.5% glycolic acid, which is perfect for those na medyo mas oily yung skin type nila. Kapag nag-oily yung T-zone, you can just apply it there. This one though is 299 pesos. While pasok naman siya sa budget natin, pwede naman nating i-include. There is a cheaper version of this though, which is also here. So kung tight talaga yung budget mo, yung smaller version nila is just, I think, 150 pesos? Oo, 149 pesos siya. So if you want to just try it first, then you can use this one. Pero kung sanay ka na or gusto mo talaga ng bigger na size nung product na to, then you can get this one. 299 pesos, 120 ml na siya. Pwede natin i-add to cart to para lang meron tayong option. And actually, a very interesting product na gusto ko muna siyang i-try before i-recommend ko, of course, because hindi naman tayo pwede mag-recommend ng hindi pa natin natatry. But very interesting options itong mga bagong release ni St. Ives, diba? Ang CEO of Apricot Scrub. Wow! Pero tingnan nyo to, as in nag-release sila ng BHA and AHA exfoliating toner. So, in fairness ha, and the percentages are really good. As in ito, 2% na BHA and this one is 5% na AHA. And itong BHA nila is actually unfragrance. As in nakalagay dito, wala siyang fragrance. So, in fairness parang nag-i-improve na ng mga formulation si St. Ives. Ito namang AHA nila, I think has fragrance, but maganda yung percentage ng AHA. So baka bilhin ko to outside ng video na to. Just to test, tingnan natin kung maganda siya. Oh, and they even have a 5% lactic acid na toner. Okay, move na tayo dito. Tingnan natin kung meron pang mga exfoliants. So, this one, I think na-mention ko na siya sa previous video ko, yung best exfoliants for oily skin and dark spots. Though, with the ingredients na meron dito, I think pwedeng-pwede talaga siya for combination skin. This is from the brand Quick FX also, and it's their Instant Facial Serum. So again, kung naalala niyo from before, si Quick FX kasi nag-release siya ng isang buong line talaga na full size na mga products. Although, I think hindi siya masyadong bumenta because though maganda yung ibang mga products niya, including this one, parang hindi pa nagigets na mga tao back then kung ano ba yung AHA, BHA, parang people are still learning kung ano yung magagawa nun sa skin. And so, mukhang finish out na nila yung malaki nito and ano na lang siya, nasa sachet version. But at least, sinave naman ni Quick FX, diba? And kung same pa rin yung formulation nito as before, which I think is very, very likely, kasi glycolic acid is second sa ingredients list niya, lactic acid is fourth, and salicylic acid is 5, 6, 7. Lalagay na lang namin dito yung exact na percentages niya for you to be able to refer to. Pero sa alam ko talaga, significant yung mga percentages niya to be able to get the full benefits of glycolic and salicylic acid. And this one, more of mga at most 3 times a week mo na lang siya gagamitin. So this is not something na you would use every day because you would risk over-exfoliating your skin. So okay lang din na meron siyang maliit for you to be able to try first. So depende na sa skin mo, I guess. Kung medyo mas on the oily side ka, maybe try this one. Pero kung meron kang mga dark spots and oily ka, this one is a good option also. But if you want to see other options na okay din for both dark spots and oily skin or combination skin types, you can check out my video on the best exfoliating serums for dark spots and oily skin. Again, ililink ko na lang siya dito. Pero i-add to cart natin sila both because I think marami pa naman ang budget natin. So, sige, check natin kung magkano na ang ating natitirang budget. Naku, dito naman yung kamukha ni Adea. Let's start with Dove, 115. Our sunscreen is 279 pesos. Miss kamukha ni Adea, pwede pa-calculate. Girl, ang liit ng calculator niya. Okay, so at most, this will cost you 892 pesos kung hindi mo pa bibilin yung pimple eraser na toner. Let's say you're gonna swap it with itong Instant Facial Serum. Then, mas mababa pa. Around maybe like 800 plus na hindi pa 900 yung magiging gastos mo. So, in fairness ha, may 108 pa daw ako according to our accountant, Miss Adea. May bago na naman siyang role. Mukhang meron pa tayong matitirang budget even if bilhin natin si Oxycure kasi 84 pesos na lang siya, girl, di ba? I think ang next na gawin natin, mag-ano tayo, skincare routine sa gas station. Tapos tingnan natin kung available pa rin to. Naku, sinusubukan niyo ako, Oxycure. Sa gas station tayo magkita, sa Shell. Sorry. Oh, wala, parang ito na. So, Hindi talaga natin mapupuno yung 1,000 pesos, but I think that's a good sign para meron pa kayong ibang paggastusan. Naku, girl, hindi na kaya yung pang-uwi. Ay, baka kaya kung malapit lang sila, diba? Kung taga Makati lang sila, diba? O, ayun na lang, good luck. Good luck! Alright, so before tayo magbayad, let's just do a recap of our combination skin routine for under 1,000 pesos. For our cleanser, itong Dove Facial Cleansing Mousse yung pipiliin natin. This is, I think, 100 plus pesos lang. And again, I really like this because bukod sa tipid na yung paggamit mo dahil isang pump, hindi ka masasobrahan, hindi ka mababawasan, makukulangan pala. This one is also very affordable. Okay, next one. For our day routine, ang magiging sunscreen natin is from the brand Megan. Itong High Defense Acne Clear Sunscreen nila. Again, I really like this. One of the new products that I like sa skin ko. And sana magkaroon sila ng bigger na ano nito, parang bigger packaging. Okay, so for our nighttime routine naman, you have the option to choose between these two Quick FX products. If you want just a BHA product na may konting-konting AHA, itong Pimple Eraser Toner, parang never na rin ito nawala sa mga shopping routines natin kasi ang mura niya. This is, I think, 150 pesos only. Okay na option for those na combination to oily skin types. But for those na gusto ng AHA, because of course, AHA also has some hydrating properties na okay din for mga combination to dry skin types, you might want to try their Instant Facial Serum. And dahil sachet na lang siya, pwede siyang unti-untiin talaga. And hindi kayo higher at risk for over-exfoliation, basically. So either of these two, kung ano yung option ninyo, depending on your skin concern, really good and affordable options. Okay, next, ang moisturizer natin na okay gamitin, whatever your skin type is, because very flexible siya. Itong Cica Rescue Me Lux Organics. Again, 5 times ceramides, niacinamide, and magandang gel cream texture talaga siya. And last but definitely not the least, ang hirap na hirap tayong tanggalin sa routine natin, ang taga-cover ng butal sa mga skincare routines natin na budgeted, itong Acne Clear Powder Mud ni Oxycure. Not at 99 pesos, but at 84 pesos. Boogs! I think ibaba nyo pa Oxycure to just 50 pesos na lang para mahirapan talaga kaming itanggal to sa routine. Okay, lagyan natin siya dito and I think we are ready to pay. To rumble! Ganon! Lumagpas pala tayo. 1,059 siya. Ay, hindi. Kasi binili ko yung dalawang serum. Okay, malalaman nyo mamaya kung bakit binili ko yung dalawa. Okay. Alright, success! Ito na ang ating combination skin routine for under 1,000 pesos. And again, kung interested kayo, tingnan pa yung mga products na to aside from mabibili nyo siya dito sa mga physical Watsons stores. Kung wala kayong time, you can also buy this online sa Watsons app, sa Watsons na website. But kung gusto niyo yung pinakamadali, nilagay ko na lahat ng mga links to these products in the description box para hindi na kayo mahirapang hanapin sila. And also, as per usual, alam kong medyo natatagalan talaga ako mag-respond sa mga giveaways, pero ibupush pa rin natin, i-giveaway pa rin natin to. So, if you want to join the giveaway for this skincare routine, kung ganito yung skin type nyo, feeling nyo bagay yung mga products na to sa skincare routine ninyo, then I will put all the information for the giveaway in the description box. And sundan nyo lang yung mga mechanics para maging eligible kayo to win the skincare routine. And also, if you want more content about combination skin types, marami na rin akong ginawang videos on that before na ilalagay ko na lang dito tsaka dito. So, you might find those helpful. And as usual, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Kakain na kami ni Kobe and ni Adea, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Hindi siya si Adea.
Kung sino man siya.